Hey, McQueen. Yes, Mater. You know what we got coming up in Fun with the Bugs? What? We got the new Cost 3 OOSHIES blind bags. Coming up next at Fun with the Bugs. There's only one problem, McQueen. What's that, Mater? We gotta go find the blind bags, 'cause I don't know where they are. Oh, that's what I love to do, Mater. Let's go drive. Let's go, McQueen, let's go! McQueen, I found the OOSHIE. Hurry up, get over here. Where are you? I'm right here, Mater. Okay, Crazy Daddy and Bugs, let's open up the blind bag. Thanks, Mater. Thanks, McQueen. Bugs, what's up?
What's up?
We got OOSHIE blind bags.
Woo!
But not just regular OOSHIE blind bags. Cars 3 OOSHIE blind bags. How cool is that?
Cool.
Let's take a look who we can get in these, Bugs.
I want McQueen.
We can get Rusty Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm, Cruz Ramirez, Luigi, Huddy Cruz Ramirez. We have some Raz, the APB, the Sheriff, Sally, the King, Guido, and Bugs. I'm hoping for the limited edition.
I just want
Florida Ramone.
McQueen. I want McQueen.
All right, Bugs, let's see. You know who I want? I want right from limited edition. I want Florida Ramone, Bugs. Let's see.
I want McQueen.
Do we need teeth?
Yes.
Let's see. I think I might be able to. Oh, I can do it with my hand, Bugs.
Next time. Didn't even open it.
Oh, man. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some teeth. Teeth, Bugs. Teeth.
It always includes.
And we got.
Guido!
Ah, hello. It's me. It's Guido. It's Guido.
Can I see?
And these are pencil toppers. So they can go on your pencils, which are really cool.
They're so different.
And that's Guido.
I want to see it.
Hey, McQueen, you want to race? Okay, Mater. Do you think you can keep up with me? Of course I can keep up with you, McQueen. You're the one that told me how to race. On your marks. Get set. Go. I won! I let you win, Mater. No, you didn't. I won fair and square, McQueen. Hey, McQueen, look what I found. Another OOSHIES blind bag. Where are you, Crazy Daddy and the Bugs? All right, Bugs, another bag.
Round 2.
Round 2.
The blind bag.
I still want Florida Ramone.
I still want McQueen.
All right, here we go, Bugs.
Hopefully you do better. Yep, you did better.
Who do we got? Oh! We got the Sheriff.
Which one?
It's the regular Sheriff, Bugs. Also goes on your pencil. So far we got Guido and the Sheriff, Bugs.
The weird ones.
Let's go find another one. Mater, I found another OOSHIE. Hurry up. Get over here. Ready, Crazy Daddy and Bugs? Let's open it up. All right, Bugs. Last OOSHIE blind bag.
Woo!
What do you want? You still want McQueen. All right, Bugs. Here I was hoping for McQueen.
What did we get?
Here we go, Bugs.
If we get McQueen, that's like a rare. To me.
The winner is... Oh! Bugs. We got the limited edition
Worst one.
Florida Ramone.
Worst one ever.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Limited edition, Bugs.
It's a
Bugs, we will get a McQueen. We will definitely be opening up more Cars 3 OOSHIES.
It's just an old.
This car is awesome.
Doesn't look that awesome.
Super cool. Perfect for the summer. We're going cruising. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment. Let us know who your favorite Cars OOSHIE that we got today was. Bugs, which was your favorite out of the 3? Bugs' favorite was Guido. We also got the Sheriff. My favorite, I'm going with Florida Ramone, the limited edition. Who's your favorite? Let us know. Please subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you know when we're uploading a new video. Bugs,
What?
take us out.
McQueen! We need McQueen out!
McQueen! We need McQueen! Ow!